just saw, I was putting the rear seat back in the car. I'm finally putting all the interior back in the car. I just don't think, first of all, the car is just back running recently. If you don't know, go look at some older videos. But I did take the rear seats out, all the subs out, pretty much all the carpet in the trunk. Took all that stuff out, and it maybe added up to not even 100 pounds, maybe like 75, 80 at most. And I just think when your car already weighs 4,400 pounds, it probably doesn't make a difference losing 75 to 80 pounds. And it makes it a lot louder in here. I already noticed it's quieter today with just having the subs and the bottom portion of the back seat back in. So when I get back later today, I'm gonna put the top portion of the back seat back in. No one's gonna use it. I'm actually gonna get a roll bar or a partial cage soon. So it's just to have the seat in there so it looks a little better, and then it's obviously quieter on the inside, but no one ever rides in the back, which is why I took it out in the first place. But I didn't realize how much louder it would be in here. So I'm putting all that stuff back in. It's not gonna make a huge difference because the car's already like freaking Titanic size. So it's not gonna make a huge difference. Gonna go put some E85 in the car because I want to show you guys where we get E85 from here. We only have one station. It's not even like a real gas station. It's where they store all the fuel before it goes to the gas station. But you can also buy gas there, and that's where our E85 is at. So let's go get there before I show you the mod for the Hellcat. Feels good to be driving this car again around. So a couple things still needed. I got rid of my Hellcat wheels for the transmission, so I still need to pick up some daily driver wheels and tires. Like an idiot and a jackass, I'm driving around on skinnies and ET Street R's in the back, which is not the safest idea and not the best idea because they just don't last long when you're driving around on them. But it's not like I've been putting a ton of miles on them. I've just been just doing some logs down the street, and I'm going to get gas. So nothing too crazy, but yeah, I'm still in the hunt for some wheels and tires to drive daily. I'm working with a wheel company right now, so we'll see if those come in anytime soon. So I'll update you guys on that when they come in or when they're actually on their way here. So, and then the other thing is still sending logs to Tim. He's on vacation right now, but waiting for Tim to get back so he can take a look at the logs, make sure everything looks okay before we go racing. Hopefully get it done in time for this Friday, which is our grudge racing at the track, which has been canceled like 3 or 4 times because of the weather and conflicts with other things. So finally we're having the Contagion Athletics grudge racing this Friday at the local track. So hopefully be able to race Sneaky Cat out there. If not, I'll drive it out there, but hopefully I'll actually get to race it out there as long as Tim says everything looks good, or he can make adjustments before Friday. So we'll see. But yeah, just right now, just headed out to put some E85 in the car. I need to go back later. I was gonna drive my truck because I have about 7 cans I usually take to fill up with the 85, but I wanted to drive the car and I wanted to vlog in the car so you guys could see that I actually do drive it, and just figured I'll go put a full tank of V85 in it. And I really want to show you guys this new mod. It's pretty unique, it's pretty custom. I wouldn't say it's custom, but not that many people have it yet, and I saw it on Instagram. I thought it was really cool. It's cheap, it's only $40, and when we get done filling up with the 85, I'll show you guys. This is our E85 station. So, old school, $2.51 a gallon if you're wondering. But yeah, it's just this big tank, and that's me 85 going in there. This is your receipt right here. Super old school, guys. So you go in here, this little building, and you actually pay the lady. So it was $2.13 a gallon plus tax, but about 33 bucks to fill it up. And it had some gas in it, but let's go show you this new mod. Alright guys, so the mod for the Hellcat is from Merrick Motorsports. It's M-E-R-R-I-C-K. So I saw this mod on Instagram, actually from Sin City Hellcat's Instagram page. He's got a Destroyer Gray Challenger Hellcat. He has really good photos of it. But anyways, I saw it on there, and I was really interested about it. So it goes actually in the headlight next to, so there's, on the Challengers, there's an open hole on each side of the headlight. So on the inside of the headlight. And usually there's a clear, not completely clear, but it's I guess it's like a smoked cover that goes in there, and you can pop those out, and actually it allows air to come into the engine bay. So both of mine have been popped out for a while, but let's see, open this real quick. Here is what it looks like. So it's just this anodized metal, and you can get this in any color you want, but they had purple in stock perfectly for me. It's got this little coupler, and the coupler actually is what holds the suction, which keeps it from falling out. So let me go show you guys what I'm talking about. And this mod is so easy, you can install it in an abandoned mall parking lot. So I've already got the driver's side on. So I took mine out, so this is the driver's side. So it looks really cool. It's not the same purple, because this is actually plum crazy purple. It looks kind of blue in the camera, but this is just like an anodized metal purple, so obviously it looks different. So from farther away, that's what it looks like. And this side, it doesn't have it. So literally, all you do is take this little guy, slide it in there. It's pretty snug because of the coupler. You just kind of force it in there. And supposedly, I guess we'll see how long they last, but with the coupler on there, I mean, they don't move at all, but with the coupler on there, it kind of suctions it in there. So that's it. Real simple. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think below. I was not paid by American Motorsports, nor did they give these to me for free. I actually paid for them. I just thought they were that cool that I would show you guys, and shout out American Motorsports on my YouTube. They're only $40 shipped, so I figured why not. They look pretty cool, I think. And like I said, you can get them in most colors. They are an anodized metal, so it's not an exact color. But I think it adds a nice little flair to the front end, especially because my car is satin black. Everything's blacked out. I just have like little hints of purple here and there. So I think the purple actually looks really cool. I could even do other colors, but for me, the purple looks the best. So let me know what you guys think of those below. Hopefully be racing the Sneaky Cat on Friday. I'll have a few videos before then, but obviously in the back of your minds, hopefully you're praying for Sneaky Cat that it's running on Friday night. But we'll see. Just got to get some logs or some maps back from Tim once he sees my logs that I sent him, and we'll go from there. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39 for the most up-to-date stuff, because I put stuff on Instagram and Snapchat first. And we'll see you guys on the next one.